Hi there, it's Shell, and welcome to day 4 of the Junk Journal series, the December Daily. So, we are every day in the month of December, we are just putting something in our December dailies. And you know, that means you can do anything. You can put a saying, you can put a card maybe that you've received in the mail. You can put pictures, whatever you want to put in here. Say you have nothing to put in here, then go look online about an inspirational, something that kind of sparks your creativity. Maybe, what do you care about? What do you want to accomplish in December? What's most important in the month of December? What does Christmas mean to you? Things like that. You can always just kind of write something down, or if you're not big into writing, then say you want to do what Christmas means to me, and it means the birth of the Christ child. Find a picture, and then just cut out that picture and stick it in your book. There's so much you can do. You don't have to be ultra creative. You can do whatever you want to do. So, just throwing that out there in case you need some ideas. So here is my December daily, and for those of you who have been with me for a while, you kind of recognize it. This is day 1, and I have 1 posted here, and then I have day 2 up here. I didn't have a lot going on. Those are just some little cards I made. And over here I have picture with Santa, and then just some cute picture of my little grandbaby, and just some other little odds and ends there. So today we are working on day 4, and hopefully this one will be enough room. We have a lot going on in day 4, and in fact, I should have been kind of journaling about it all along, but I didn't get my package in time. So we're just going to kind of put them all on day 4, and then as we continue through the book, I will comment about each package during the day. And what I mean by that is I am in a swap, and it's called the 25 Days of Christmas. So what each person did is you would wrap up 25 individual gifts and put them in envelopes or packages or whatever you wanted to, and mail them to your swap partner. So I mailed her 25 gifts, and she mailed me 25 gifts. So today I got mine. So it's already the 4th day. And let me show you first all my goodies. So I got these really pretty self-adhesive pearls. These are some strings and stuff that she had wrapped around the envelopes. Here's a little red ribbon I was looking for yesterday. This is just some little flowers. Here are some really pretty little doilies. That was in one package. So this was separate, this was separate, this was separate, but this one didn't have a number on it, so I just opened it anyway. The 12 Days of Christmas little golden book. And this is a 1983 edition. But isn't that precious? So I got that, and this, and I thought this would be really fun to create with. It's memories. So I think that's really fun, and I'll probably just stick that like in my book, and maybe I'll have some of these items that I will use in my December daily, because why not? It's kind of like a travel scrapbooking kit, but that's okay. Okay, so she sent me this cute little envelope, and then she sent me this little card, and the card just says that she's happy, to be on the swap with me, and she had fun putting together her swap. So here's what I'm gonna do. Just going to put him in there, and I think I'm just going to glue down this little flap right here. And I just really love this. I just think it's such a beautiful card, and I think she probably made it herself. I'm not 100% sure, but it's just really sturdy. It just makes me think of one that was made. And again, this book is getting so full already, and I think I'm only on one card. This is how thick it's getting. So, and that's only 4 days. I can imagine what it's going to be like at the end of the month. Okay, so I can still get to the card and read that. And, you know, I will remember who my 25 days were from. Okay, so I have these little numbers, and I thought these would be fun to put on each day, maybe for the, you know, for our number. In fact, I might go ahead and put that one there. I want to kind of reuse everything that I can here, so I'm just going to use that there. And I'm just going to, I don't think I'm going to keep, you know, a list of what I've received or anything like that. I kind of want to be a little bit more creative with this. So I kind of have an idea. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I still have some of that paper that we used a couple of days ago. And I think what I'm going to do is just kind of tear it down. This just came to me, so I guess we'll find out together if it's actually going to work or not. So this is just some coffee dyed paper, and I think that is so cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I want to use these 3 numbers. Sorry, you can't even see that. These 3 numbers here. And some of these, the little twines. So, let's see. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put what I love about December. So, just maybe in, you know, a fancier writing maybe. Maybe like faux calligraphy. I'm not I'm not a calligraphy person at all, but I have been practicing. Okay. What's wrong? Dang it. Huh?
I got it sent over to him.
Oh, good. When you're doing calligraphy, every downstroke you're going to kind of thicken. So, you know, I try. So, you know, you can just do what you can do. Scooch up a little bit more. So, you know, the A went down there, then we went up, down, up, down, 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 down. But, you know, it's just for me, that's a good thing. This pen may not be the best one for attempting this, but that's okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I thought would be really fun, is to just kind of, I think all three of these will fit here. Ooh, perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick these on. You know, just kind of reuse, I guess, the things that I received. And this will give me like my top 3 things I love about December. And again, I just kind of, the thought just came to me, so I haven't seen this done. It's probably been done millions of times. But in this case, I haven't seen it done. Okay, so now I'm just going to write some things that I love about December. So one of the main things to me is I love spending time with my family and friends. And I think in December we spend more time with them because, you know, that's just what you do. So I'm going to put, I love being able to spend time with family and friends. Okay, and then I'm going to skip a line, and then I'm going to go to number 2, which is, you know, I do love the hustle and bustle of the Christmas season, but I also like when it's over. So I think I'm going to put the excitement of the season preparing for Christmas. And then probably the third thing I love is probably all the activities, which is kind of there. But you know, there's so much going on in December that there's just so much going on. There's never a dull moment. Pretty much if you wanted to do something every day during December, you really could. I mean, I've noticed we've had the Christmas parade, or the Parade of Lights. We've had that. We've had, you know, you could do pictures with Santa. I've seen that. You could do, we always have like this Four Seasons, which is have this like plant nursery place, and they put up all these beautiful trees and then cover them with and different ornaments and have a theme for every ornament. You can go there for snacks and singing. You know, you could go and just drive around, look at lights, you know, and then things like that. And I think that's what I'm going to put down for my third one, just because I do love that. So I love seeing the beautiful decorations. And I think I'll just do that because I think I ran out of room. Okay, so now I want to show you what I wanted to do. So I have these strings here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to trim this one. I just kind of want to use, you know, what I have. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that across one of these. I think I'm going to put it there. I'm just going to kind of do a little line going all the way across and glue it down. I just thought that would be really pretty. And, you know, you're kind of just using what you have. So So I'm able to use a little bit of the decorations and stuff that my swap partner gave me. I think I'm going to use this one. Oops. Right here. How fun. I know I'm goofy. So. But you know, this is kind of what I was talking about is, you know, share what you love about December and the holiday season. So I think I'm going to put this one here and also down at the bottom. Kind of frame it out. I think that'll be really pretty. Again, I'm just using my art glitter glue. If you've been with me for a while, that's pretty much the only glue I use. So, let's see about that. Isn't that cute? It's kind of like a page from a book. Which, you know, that's what we're making it into. Sometimes I just crack myself up. Okay, and then here, let's move this up a touch. And I just went ahead and decorated it out of the book. I just figured that that would be easier before I actually tape it down or glue it down. Now these are just three of, you know, the things that I love about December. Not necessarily the things that I love about Christmas. It's just things about December. Of course, to me, you know, the most important thing about Christmas is the Christ child. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. But, you know, this is just something fun. So look at that. I love that. Isn't that precious? Okay. I'm happy with this page. And then I'm just sticking it down with some glue. If you wanted to and you didn't have enough room, you could make this into a flip or a little tuck spot. But I think I had enough room for everything that I wanted to do. So I wanted to say on this day. And if I, you know, want to say anything about my swap partner, I could pull this out and write on the back. So I might do that again, you know, at a later time. So I think this is such a fun page. What do you guys think? I think it's absolutely adorable. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure and give this video a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel a whole lot. And be sure and subscribe to follow along for the rest of the month in this December daily. So thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.